Imagine you have a superpower in your code, a magic checkpoint. This checkpoint shouts, "Hey, this condition must be true, or else I'm stopping everything." That's exactly what assert does in Python. It's like your code's little watchdog making sure everything is going as planned. If the condition you give to assert is true, your code happily moves on. But if it's false, it raises an assertion error and yells at you that something went wrong. This is amazing for catching bugs early and keeping your code healthy and strong. Here's where assert turns into your best buddy for testing code. We're checking if our square function behaves perfectly. If it returns the wrong answer, assert will call you out immediately. Otherwise, it congratulates you with a victory message. No need for complicated testing frameworks. Who says error messages have to be boring? Throw in some personality. If the magic number changes, assert lets you know with a bit of flair. It's a great way to make debugging a little more fun and personal. Assert is like your code's early warning system, catching mistakes before they cause big problems. It's simple, powerful, and a total lifesaver when testing or building complex programs. Give it a try in your projects and watch how much easier debugging becomes.